Welcome back to Silicophilic. If Microsoft Word keeps crashing every time you open it, create a document, or perform certain actions, the problem could be a faulty add-in running in the background. If this happens, you don't have to uninstall Office. In this video, I will show you how to identify exactly which add-in is causing Word to crash and remove it. Let's get started. Start Word in safe mode. The first step is to confirm whether an add-in is actually causing the crash. Press Windows+R, type winword/safe. Then press enter. If Word opens normally in safe mode without crashing, you have confirmed that the problem is most likely caused by an add-in. Now move on to the next step. Disable all COM add-ins. Open Word, go to File, then Options, then Add-ins. At the bottom, next to Manage, select COM add-ins and click Go. You will now see all the installed add-ins. Uncheck every active add-in and click OK. Close Word and open it normally. If Word no longer crashes, you have confirmed that one of those add-ins is responsible. Find the faulty add-in. Now it's time to identify exactly which add-in is causing the problem. Go back to File, then Options, then Add-ins, and then COM add-ins, and then Go. Enable one add-in only. Restart Word and use it for a few moments. If everything works normally, enable the next add-in. Repeat this process, enabling one add-in at a time and restarting Word after each one. As soon as Word starts crashing again, the last add-in you enabled is the faulty one. Leave it disabled or uninstall it. Check disabled items. Sometimes Word automatically disables crashing add-ins. Go to Add-ins, at the bottom change Manage to Disabled Items and click Go. If you see an add-in listed there, Word has already detected it as unstable. Leave it disabled unless you have updated it. Remove or update the faulty add-in. If you have identified the problematic add-in, check whether a newer version is available from the developer. Many add-in crashes happen because the add-in is outdated and no longer compatible with your version of Microsoft Office. If no update is available, uninstall the application associated with that add-in from Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Then restart Word. Repair Microsoft Office. If Word still crashes even after removing the faulty add-in, repair your Office installation. Open Control Panel, then Programs and Features. Then find Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Right-click and select Change. Then repair Word. Wait till the process completes. And that's how you find the add-in that's crashing Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Silicophilic for more Microsoft Office and Windows troubleshooting guides. And let us know in the comments which add-in was causing the problem. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.